Hi, this is my video reflection for this week. Um, my first big idea that I got out of the session was just modeling in general. We hear a lot about it, during the first year, before we do student teaching. And I really think it's beneficial for students to kind of see an example before they actually go out and try to do it. I actually kind of remember, I guess, mistake, if you will, when I was student teaching. One of my projects I assigned to the kids was instead of having to write, the traditional essay, they could record themselves. And I knew a lot of them had smartphones. I saw them on them in class sometimes. So I thought I was going to get a bigger turnout with that. But I didn't. I actually had one group, a pair out of, the 5 classes that I had actually chose to make a video of themselves. And I was really shocked by that. I thought, for sure more kids would choose to do that. But then it occurred to me actually during one of my summer classes that I didn't actually model that project and give them an example of what, a video and what I was expecting. And I felt really bad. I'm like, God, I probably would have, got more people or more students to do that if I would have showed them first. So, I guess, I learned one thing, obviously, many things, but that for sure. Another thing I thought was a big point out of this session was generalizing skills from one class to another. Just a couple examples would be reading for content, or maybe spelling or grammar. Maybe kids think, okay, well, I need to write correctly in English, but it doesn't matter in social studies or science, but it does. And just something as simple as that, kids really need to sit down and I guess recognize that what they learn in one class they can in fact use in another class. And then my third big idea I got was out of the video model article, was just video modeling can in fact be really beneficial to students if done correctly. And I like the example they gave in the article, but I could see maybe some educators might be, I guess, maybe turned away from that just because it does involve a lot of work. During my other placement, I actually did a video model, and it was on immigration, a big long month-long project. It included recording ourselves, which at the time I didn't really like doing, and here I am today. But I had to do that for the kids to kind of show them how to get started on this project. And then I showed it to them in front of each of my 5 classes I think I had. And then when they sat down and had to start recording themselves, they were a lot more comfortable with it. And I'd still get the sighs and moans and groans. Oh, I don't like the way I sound. And I just tell them, well, either do I. It's okay. I had to do it. You guys can do it. You'll be great. So I thought that was really neat that it was just kind of something that I had done and kind of recognized. So yeah, those are my three big points from this session. See you next week.